Happy Friday. So today's video is the new old part 3, or is it old new? Anyways, if you wonder why we're calling it that, go check out part 1 and part 2 of these videos. So the reason I like this plant so much is it's a very simple plant. Right before we dump the material in, you'll see it's a hard face rotor, so it's heavy duty, and then from there the material just falls in, goes in up into the conveyor, up into the granulator, up the conveyor. So it's really a shredder granulator zigzag turbo mill airtable. So it's a super simple setup, and it's probably the most pounds per hour per square foot that you can achieve with the wire chopping system. So take a look at it, like, comment, subscribe, put your comments down below. Let me know what you guys think, and any questions and all that jazz. And we'll catch you in the next one. Happy Friday.